Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Benaldo Halim Wicaksono. I am from Class B Business Education, Faculty of Economics, State University of Jakarta. Today, I will present my research at SMK PGRI 1 Jakarta, which is related to entrepreneurship education, creativity, and interest in entrepreneurship. Chapter 1, Preliminary. My background for conducting this research is because, based on data from BPS, Badan Pusat Statistik, vocational high school graduates have the highest employment compared to other level of education. Then, the interest in entrepreneurship among vocational high school students is still very low. And also, the lack of job which cause high employment rate. Based on this background, there are problem that I can do research so that I can find out what problems are really happening. Based on preliminary survey data, I obtained data by distributing online questionnaire to 50 students of SMK PGRI 1 Jakarta, the result of which were 82% of 41 students of SMK PGRI 1 had no interest in entrepreneurship, and only 18% or 9 students had an interest in entrepreneurship. Of the 82% students who did not have an interest in entrepreneurship gave different reasons. 46.3% of students answered that they had less knowledge about entrepreneurship. 39% of students answered that they were less creative in running a business. 9.8% of students answered that they did not dare to take a risk, and 4.9% of students answered that they did not get enough support from the family to become entrepreneurs. Research update. There are two previous studies which have the same title, but different place of research and also the sample use. Chapter 2, Theoretical Study. The first is interest in entrepreneurship. Interest in entrepreneurship is a desire that arises from the heart of every individual to fulfill their daily needs by working hard, having the courage to take risks, having enthusiasm, and having creative and innovative ideas to run a business. With the following indicator, the first one is be more value and confident. Number two, have advanced thinking. Number three, doing things that other people can do. If other people can do, so why we can do the same thing? Number four, the desire to own, manage, and develop their own business. Number five, make something different. Number six, unattached and disorganized. Number seven, free to enjoy work on their own effort. The second is entrepreneurship education. Entrepreneurship education is the main foundation for every individual to learn about entrepreneurship and is able to grow and help its individual to develop their abilities and creative idea in running a business with the following indicator. Number one, innovation. Number two, adding insight in the field of entrepreneurship. And number three, be aware of business opportunities. The third is creativity. Creativity is the ability that a person has to develop ideas and think that already exist into new ideas in entrepreneurship. With following indicator, number 1, creative individual. Number 2, communicating new concept. And number 3, generate new idea. Number 4, last but not least, supportive atmosphere. Then the influence conciliation between variable with a hypothesis. Hypothesis 1, entrepreneurship education affect interest in entrepreneurship. Hypothesis 2, creativity affect interest in entrepreneurship. Chapter 3, research methodology. Research conducted research at SMK PGRI 1 Jakarta from January 2020 to June 2020. The research approach used was quantitative research with a survey method. The data from this study were collected through a questionnaire given online to 50 respondents. And then next, population they are used on this research is grade 11 student of SMK PGRI 1 Jakarta with a total of 308 students and sample 174 students. This is after being calculated using the Slovene formula, by the way. And then the analysis technique, number 1, validity test. Number 2, reliability test. Number 3, classic assumption test. Number 4, simple linear regression test. Number 5, hypothesis testing. Number 6, person correlation coefficient analysis. And number 7, coefficient of determination.
Next, go to chapter 4, namely the result and discussion. Data analysis technique use are validity, reliability, normality, linearity, simple linear regression, partial significance or t-test, person correlation analysis, and coefficient of determination. The calculation results show that its test result has met the criteria, so the hypothesis is accepted. Therefore, the conclusion in this study is that entrepreneurship education has a positive and significant effect on interest in entrepreneurship, and creativity has a positive and significant effect on interest in entrepreneurship. The implication is that SMK PGRI 1 Jakarta can increase student understanding of entrepreneurship and train student creativity so that they have more interest in entrepreneurship. Recommendation for further research are to expand the population and use different data analysis methods and techniques.
And that's all my presentation today. Thanks for the attention. I hope when I come to my exam, my exam of research, I can pass without any problem. Thank you once again. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for my dosen, Mem Raina Parlina, Ibu Ferry Yohana, dan juga Pak Nurdin. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.